Updating your payment information on Robinhood is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the account icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your payment information. Step 3. Select Banking. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Banking option. Tap on it to view your current payment methods and linked bank accounts. Step 4. Update payment information. Choose the payment method you want to update. You can either edit the existing bank details or add a new bank account by following the prompts provided. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering your new payment information, review it for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes to ensure your payment information is updated successfully. By following these steps, you can easily update your payment information on Robinhood. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Robinhood's customer support for assistance.